So you might be wondering, what in the heck do I have in these toolboxes on these trailers? Now, everyone that has a winch, well, really every single trailer, but especially the ones that have winches or just battery-powered hydraulics, I have a solar panel on. That way I basically almost never have to worry about the charge on the battery. So I have the 30 watts and the 50 watts. And they each have also, I can even show you, we'll open this up. They have a reader, these specific solar panels, of the charge. So you can see this is flashing. We're at 100%. So even if you just want to check on the battery, you can do that. You don't even have to hook up a multimeter because it's saying how charged it is. Now that's if it's working. This one isn't working on this trailer, so I got to replace it. But what else do I have? So I have a battery, winch. Now going to the winch, I always have an on and off switch right here. Well, not necessarily right here, but somewhere in here to turn on and off the winch, because if there's a draw, it won't drain the battery. This specific trailer, well, everyone, I like to have a little soft loop or a toe strap, just a cheap 2" by 20" toe strap or a soft loop like this. This trailer, he doesn't have D-rings welded on, so I have just some spare snake pocket D-rings people can put in. I have some spare bolts for the, not where I left off, not sure where I left off, but got bolts for this coupler. In this bag, I always have a small bag with the winch remote. There's a wireless one in here and a spare wired one in case the wireless battery dies. In these bags, which I have an assortment of Menards or Milwaukee bags, whatever, or milk crates, depending on the trailer. Bottle jack in here. C-channel lock. Socket for the lug nut size on the trailer. And a breaker bar. Breaker bar is just in here. But that's what I have in every single trailer in case somebody pretty much has to change a tire on the road. And then a little extra stuff for winches. Now, if they want a ball, you know, like this, if they want a ball or straps or anything else, they can ask me and I can provide that for a little extra fee as well. Each trailer also has a spare tire. Very good to have for you, peace of mind. And, well, for the customer too. I've had a lot of customers tell me they like me purely because it's a peace of mind of having a spare tire. So, what do you guys have in your guys' trailer toolboxes?